Hey, what is up, you guys? This is the clear Otterbox Symmetry case for the iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max, whatever. I can't recommend this case. The number one thing I'll say is, look at that. I'm not a pretty, dirty person. I keep my stuff really nice. That's not okay. It's not going to focus. That doesn't wash off. That is just from daily basic use. The back part of it is just hard plastic. It doesn't yellow. But these sides are made out of some sort of silicone, I guess. And it yellows immediately. One complaint I noticed was that for some people the back scratches. I don't really leave my keys in the same pocket as my phone, and I don't really shuffle my phone like that, so it hasn't for me. But just so you know, if in case you're wondering, some people have had complaints about that. Just gonna clean off my phone really quick before I put it in. And the way I put it in, these two sides first, then this side. Maybe I don't do it like that, actually. Normally I do the top first. Okay. In. I do worry that certain cases like this scratch the stainless steel a little bit. I'm going to put my case down, my camera down as I do this. I don't remember this being a problem. This was actually the one area where I felt the case was fine. Okay, so what I did was I just clicked this in, and now I'm going to click this last piece in. Wow, that is not as difficult as I remember. One thing I do want to mention is I complained about this to Otterbox over the phone, or I think it started with an email. Just letting them know this is not the quality I've come to expect from them, especially being such a big name. I think this retails for about $39, so for a $40 case, this is not the quality you would come to expect for any brand. And they were extremely helpful, extremely nice. I actually didn't really have to get too into it. They just immediately said, pick a case on the website and we'll replace it for free. You won't even have to deal with shipping or anything. Just give us your address. So I did that, and I got the Otterbox Symmetry in black. So a review is going to come in that pretty soon. But just letting you know, if you can deal with the yellowing of the sides, which I personally can't, and I don't think it looks like you have a dirty phone, it doesn't look nice. But if you can deal with it, the back does stay pretty nice. But I mean, gosh, that literally looks like a colored case. It looks like it glows in the dark. It has a nice lip. I have a glass screen protector on. Let's see if you can see it, if it'll focus. Nice. It has an okay lip on it, but I just personally, I can't recommend this case. So I'm going to take it off now. I start with the bottom when I'm taking it off. I'll put it down again. All right. Your side. You kind of have to massage it out, if that makes any sense. And like I said, with cases like this, I truly worry if it's scratching the stainless steel. One of these days, I'm definitely going to polish my stainless steel just to see if there's any real damage on it. But that's been the review of the Otterbox Symmetry Clear for the iPhone. Thanks so much for watching.